Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to make this fried shrimp at home. These are 10 out of 10, would recommend. They're so good. But before I show you guys how it's done, if you're new here to my channel, please take a second to subscribe, like this video if you enjoy, and let's get started. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. I will leave the measurement down below for you guys, so please check that out. Here I have 1 pound of large shrimp, nice and clean and deveined. Over here I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and over here we have some hot sauce, about half a cup. And here we have half a cup of yellow mustard. And I like to add mustard to my fried shrimp. It just takes the taste to a whole nother level. Also, we have about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Here we have 1 cup of club soda, and these are the seasoning. I am using Creole seasoning, Old Bay, garlic powder, and some ground black pepper. Now, first thing first, I am going to pour the hot sauce all over the shrimp. Next, I am going to pour in my mustard. Next, we're going to add in the seasoning. And next, we're going to pour in our club soda. And I forgot to mention, you will need 1 egg. This is optional, by the way. You don't really have to use it, but if you use it, you'll see a slight bit of a difference. And now I am going to pour about 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to the mixture, just to make sure it's nice and thick. Now I'm going to cover it, place it on the side while I get my flour ready. Now you can let it sit in the fridge for about 10 minutes, but I didn't really have to do that, so that's a good thing. Now in a large bowl or paper bag, I am going to pour in my flour as well as my cornstarch. You know, cornstarch makes everything nice and crispy and crunchy, so that's why I am adding that in there. Give that a good mix, just like so, just to make sure everything is well mixed. Now I am going to grab my shrimp. I am going to remove the shrimp from the marinade. Make sure to shake any excess of the marinade and place it into your flour. No need to season the flour because the shrimp is already delicious, y'all. No need to season the flour. So you're going to place your shrimp right in there, and then you're going to grab the lid, cover it back up, and give it a nice shake. I'm going to fry the shrimp for about 4 minutes. 2 minutes in between the cooking time. Be sure to stir it here and there. And once your shrimp is nice and done, your time is up. This is what you should have, a nice crunchy crispy looking shrimp. Look at this, you guys. Amazing. Okay. Now I'm going to place these on a napkin just to soak in that oil so they don't sit into the oil. And I am going to fry the remaining of the batch. I'm following the exact same step that I told you guys earlier. And I'm not sure if you guys noticed, I have all of my shrimp already coated with the flour because I like to coat it all of the shrimp. Then I can start frying. I don't like going back and forth with the frying and coating the shrimp with the flour. And this is the final result, you guys. They're looking so crunchy and crispy. I went ahead and add some dry parsley on top just to, make it nice and pretty a bit. I eat mine with hot sauce. Let me know down below what type of sauce would you eat with these. Okay. Much for watching today's video. Let me know down below what sauce you'll eat with these. Also, thumbs up if this video was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.